Check, check, check. 1 minute to FOMC. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Numbers are out. What was weak? Babo was weak. Just taking a look at what could be potentially setting up Amazon. Amazon. Microsoft. There goes Amazon. Watching this Amazon, looking at this 121 here. Watching this Amazon here at 21. That may have been it right there. That may have been the spot right there. Let's see if someone holds on the tape up here. Yeah, that was the spot up there. Big flush. Can we get a pop back up to the 50s, 60s, 70s? There's the 40s. We're not getting it. Nope. I'm gonna go short here. Got 17 cents. Just plain momentum. Not going. Need to start going down quick. Quick. There she starts going. Can we break through that 20? Can we break through that 20? Not going yet. Still getting support down at that 20. Don't like it. Not breaking. There we go. Took it right there. Could have gotten more out of it, but took it right there. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Only took a small piece out of it. What'd I get? 91s. So, definitely the right idea. Getting those 21s would have been amazing. But definitely heavy, heavy red here. Let's take a look at Microsoft. Baba broken. Oh, yeah. This 82 here. Yeah, I could have gotten a lot more out of that Amazon. I was looking for a much bigger drop, so covered right before that big dropout happened. This will be good tape to review. This Baba at this 82, I just don't see this thing recovering. But in that Amazon, you could see it working. I don't like that Baba as much. What is the low? 81.50 low a day. And we came down so far so fast. We just hit this support here. I'm actually wondering if this is a spot to start picking at longs, because let me see what, like, look at this AMD down here. Like AMD, Meta drops through, but I think something like this could pop back up actually and reclaim this right here. I'm gonna reset the low a day. Now I'm actually leaning long, especially on this Meta. Looks like it wants to reclaim. Wonder if this we can get down to the 40s here. Might be a spot to pick some Meta up and try to get back up to this 144. So I think we're going to reclaim here. 60s bought. 60s keeps on buying at 66. And there she goes, boom. Yep. That would have been a really nice scalp. And there she goes reclaiming that level. That's basically a point right there. Could have just scalped out. You could see it happen, and it is reclaiming those support levels. And yeah, that was a pretty nice spot. I should have been more aggressive on this spot right here.
It'll slow down.
And Google too. Microsoft. Baba. Yeah, Baba, glad I did not take that short.
Pull back to composite values now.
It was just Netflix. No, I like that. I like that meta a lot. And I'm wondering if on the next, what is that, 4360s? Yeah, back to the 4360s. And especially if we don't even get down there, if we start hovering in the 70s, maybe I can frame it against the 50s or 40s and get on the long side here.
Yeah, all that volatility wiped the entire day out.
So a couple of places where I could have done a lot better. I could have hit Amazon earlier, and then when I did hit it, I took it off really, really soon, and could have held it a lot longer. And then this meta where I saw the long happening, I didn't take it. So just sluggish, not executing as best as I can. I'm seeing the stuff on the tape show up, and it's playing out the way I'm seeing it. So that's nice, but if you don't capitalize on it, it doesn't mean anything. So meta back down into the 80s. Let's watch what happens in the 70s and 60s. 80s buying now. 80 was buying. Blew them through. Got to the 70s. Did we even go test the 60s? No, and 80 rebids immediately. 80 buying more. Back down to the low 80s to the 70s. 70s buying. Buying again. Steps up. Clears the offer. That was it. Don't know if it's going to get back down again. Well, here we are back in the 80s again. I don't see more downside follow through on this market. I think we're going to continue to chop up. Here's the 70s again in meta, and let's see what happens. Yep, they rebuy it again. So somebody's biting on this every single time. I wonder if they flush everyone out here, and then drive it higher. There's the flush. There's the 60s. Rebid 70s. 60s. Can we get a flush out and a quick reclaim? And that'll be a good sign for the long. Because I do think that this is going to reclaim the support level and go take to the other side of the range. There's the 50s. There's the 40s. Let's pay attention right here. '50s reclaims. There's the 40s again. Haven't really flushed them out yet, have they? There's the 30s. Market's heading lower, but there's the 40s reclaiming again. There's the 20s. And there's the 40s reclaiming again. Yeah, I'm gonna take this long here at 50 cents average. I'm gonna put the stop down at 20 cents. So long at 52-cent average, looking for a reclaim of 40 cents, or a $44, I should say. Let's see if we get a nice little pop. This is just a scalp, really based off the tape reading. Need to work a little bit more. Get up above those 70s. 75 sold. Gonna take a piece off right there. Just reading the tape here. That's all I'm doing. I see 60 holding, 70s holding. Let's see if we can get a push up to the hole. Stalling here again. Gonna take another half off here. Didn't get it. Gonna take off another piece. And yeah, not making it up to the top there. I'm bailing on the whole thing. Just another little scalp. And yeah, you can see the lack of follow through here. One of the funny things is that I have Fat Cat streaming in my ear, and he's trading the ES, and he actually tried the long at the same time I was trying the long in meta here. So similar ideas, but I wanted to see immediate follow through. I didn't get it, so gonna bail. You know, not sticking around. Just taking the profit and run. That might be it for me today. It's already 2:20 p.m. and yeah, that might be it. Couple of scalps. And what did Amazon do? Not much. Wonder if this meta will reclaim that 44. I want to see 44.50 back up here. But it wasn't following through, so, and I didn't like that I didn't get filled on the offer. I threw an offer out there and I didn't get lifted, and I don't like that. Like when there's a ton of buying pressure, you just very quickly get lifted. And that didn't happen. Yeah, just can't get up to that 44. Oh, here we go. But no follow through. Yeah, tons of selling happening. No follow through. So, well, I think I am going to call it here. And not spend the rest of my day sitting here looking at this and just go back to work. So, oh, here's 70s again. Can we get up? Nope. Yeah, this tape is just not. There's 80s briefly. This tape is not screaming like it wants to reclaim anymore. I thought it would reclaim both the ES and the individual names I was looking at, like Meta on this, basically this bounce play off this level. Here's 70s again, but there's just selling in here. Definitely was there. This was a really nice idea. I should have been more aggressive on that and capitalized on that. And I was hoping that this would be a similar idea, a quick dropout before a springboard up. But they're selling it here in the 70s and 80s. Here comes 90s. Here comes the hole. Let's see what they do. Oh, can't even touch the hole. There it is. There it is. And doesn't really reclaim, and tons of selling there at the hole. Not an impressive show of strength. If anything, signaling a lot more selling to come. Makes me wonder what else we can find to short. This Meta, and what did Baba end up doing? Yeah, Baba cracked that level, but then just kind of sucked back up in. I'm gonna step out to a wider time frame. What was I on here? Nvidia? No, I was on Amazon. No. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here and just take the win and see that Meta sells off right like that, right from the hole. Interesting. All right, yep, I'm gonna call it.